to the Raise Your Energy podcast. Today I have something special for you. It's my Christmas present to you. Instead of an episode, I created a guided meditation for you. You know, I am all about purposeful meditating, and this meditation's purpose is to manifest what you wish for into your life. Make sure to listen to this episode when you're not driving or handling heavy machinery. Save this episode for when you can sit down and get yourself comfortable. And come back to it again and again. Enjoy. Let's start with getting comfortable. If you can, sit down on a chair and have your back supported, but your head being straight. Have your feet on the ground. Try to get as comfortable as possible, and let's start with the meditation. Manifest a wish. Enjoy. Start by getting comfortable and relax your body. Let any tension go. Breathe deeply in and breathe out. And relax even further. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. One last time, breathe deeply in and breathe out. Relax. Imagine a ball of light that you're going to move around your body. This ball of light and energy can have any color you like. What color do you choose today? What kind of temperature does it have? What kind of positive feeling does it give you? Let the ball enter your body through the sole of your left foot. Feel it shining the light inside your foot. And now move the ball of light up your leg, past your calf, your knee, and through the upper leg into your left side torso. Feel the light shining inside of your torso. Now move the ball of light up to your left shoulder and down your arm. Feel the ball arriving in your hand and shine its light. The ball moves up the arm again and through your throat and neck into your head space. Can you feel the light fill the inside of your head? Let the ball move now on through your neck and throat to your right shoulder and down your right arm. Feel it arriving in your hand and shine its light. Now the ball is moving back up your arm and down the right side of your torso. Feel the light fill up your upper body once again. Let the ball move through your hips, down your right leg, past your upper leg, your knee and your calf. The ball ends up in your right foot. And even that it leaves your body through the sole of your foot, you can still feel the light pulsating through your complete body. What kind of feeling does it give you? Let the light relax you even further. Now, what is a wish you have for your future? What is something you would like to manifest into your life? Bring up that wish and review it. How does it look like when you got your wish? Bring up as many details of your wish as possible. Review it one more time. Can you add anything else that describes your wish? Now, how will you feel when your wish comes true? Bring up these emotions now. Find as many emotions as possible that you will feel when your wish comes true. Try to feel them all, one by one. Try to feel them all together. Let these emotions fill up your heart, your body, and your smile. Stay with these feelings as long as you can. And link these feelings to your wish. Connect these feelings with the event when your wish comes true. Imagine your wish coming true with all of these feelings inside of you. Now you're manifesting your wish into your life. Remind your body again of these lovely feelings. Remind yourself again of your wish. Now imagine observing your life through a camera lens. In the moment your wish comes true, in the moment you are filled with these lovely feelings, what will you do? How will you act? Observe yourself. What do you see yourself doing? What do you hear yourself saying? What do you feel yourself experiencing? Observe yourself again. Observe the you that has gotten their wish. Observe the you that is feeling all of these amazing feelings. Now you're manifesting your wish into your life. Remind your body again of these lovely feelings. Remind yourself again of this wish. Now I want you to put your left hand onto your heart space and move into a state of gratitude. Gratitude is the ultimate state of receivership. Feel grateful as if your wish has already come true. Give thanks to having received everything you wanted and more. Feel your heart filled with gratitude. Let it shine through your body and all around you. Feel deeply into this gratitude for your wish having come true. How grateful can you be? Expand your gratitude even further. Feel blessed that your wish has come true. Feel blessed that your wish has become reality. Feel blessed that you manifested it into your life. Feel grateful for a while longer. Slowly bring your awareness back to your new body and your new environment. Slowly start moving your fingers, your toes, your shoulders. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes and present yourself to this world with the knowing that your wish coming true is inevitable.